Imagine looking in the mirror and noticing dark spots that seem to appear out of nowhere, leaving you wondering why your skin is not as clear and radiant as it used to be. What if I told you that the solution might not be hidden in expensive creams or harsh chemicals, but instead in natural, powerful ingredients that you may already have at home? Today, we are diving deep into the secrets of removing dark spots naturally, with remedies that have been studied, tested, and trusted by millions of people around the world. And what you will discover may completely change the way you see your skincare routine from this day forward. Dark spots, also known as hyperpigmentation, can appear due to sun exposure, aging, hormonal changes, acne scars, or even lifestyle habits. For many people, these marks become a source of frustration and insecurity. But here is the truth. Your skin has an incredible ability to regenerate and restore itself when given the right care. The key lies in understanding the causes, making small but powerful changes in your habits, and using natural ingredients that help brighten, even, and nourish your skin over time. One of the most effective natural remedies is lemon juice, known for its high content of vitamin C and citric acid, which gently exfoliates the skin and helps reduce pigmentation. But here's the catch. It must be used wisely. Always apply diluted lemon juice, never expose your skin to the sun after applying it, and use it preferably at night to avoid irritation. Combine it with honey to balance the acidity and hydrate the skin at the same time, and you create a mask that not only lightens spots but also makes your skin glow. Aloe vera is another powerful ally. Inside its gel lies a compound called aloe, which has been shown to lighten hyperpigmentation naturally. Applying pure aloe vera gel directly to the skin can help reduce dark patches over time, while also calming irritation and moisturizing deeply. The best part is that aloe vera works on all skin types, making it one of the safest remedies you can trust. Then there is turmeric, the golden spice that has been used in beauty rituals for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that not only fade dark spots but also prevent new ones from forming. A simple mask made of turmeric powder and milk or yogurt creates a gentle yet powerful treatment that nourishes your skin while evening out your complexion. Yes, it may leave a temporary yellow stain, but the results are worth it. Let's not forget apple cider vinegar, a natural toner rich in acetic acid that can gradually lighten pigmentation when applied carefully. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water and apply it with a cotton pad directly to the spots. Over time, you'll notice a more even tone, but consistency is key. Small, steady steps create lasting transformations, and your skin will thank you for choosing a gentle, natural path. However, natural remedies alone are not enough if we don't also address daily habits. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Dark spots worsen with sun exposure, so protecting your skin every single day is the foundation of any treatment. Pair that with a diet rich in antioxidants, fruits, vegetables, green tea, and your body will fight pigmentation from the inside out. Hydration, regular sleep, and reducing stress are also silent yet powerful steps in the journey to radiant skin. Now, imagine your skin 1 month from now if you commit to these practices. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing your spots fading, your skin becoming smoother, brighter, and more youthful. The power is literally in your hands. Natural beauty is not about perfection. It's about revealing the healthiest version of yourself, and these remedies are your tools to achieve that. If this message resonates with you, if you believe in the power of natural skincare and in taking control of your beauty in a safe and holistic way, then this is the moment to act. Start with 1 remedy tonight, stay consistent, and watch your skin transform. And if you want to be part of a community that values health, self-care, and confidence, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs these tips, and subscribe for more exclusive content that can transform lives. Together, we can create a world where beauty comes from nature, from wisdom, and from self-love. Because the truth is, the journey to radiant skin is not just about what you put on your face. It's about the choices you make every day. And today, you've discovered that the path to clearer skin can be natural, gentle, and powerful. So the only question is, are you ready to begin?